£9.15 to go to Brighton. We've got 701 for one. It's 3 minutes early. There's 3 bridges. 3 bridges. Cambridge from Brighton. You go out here, please. You go out and you see. Can you see the little window? Can you do that? Can we do that? Oh. Well, he's just walking a little bit far, but we're going to do that again like 7 days. Yeah. That we do. Yeah, we take McDonald's. Oh, there's one for the Brighton, so they're leaving. So they're leaving. Okay. So it's 141 to Brighton from Bedford. New service to Cambridge. To Cambridge, yeah. About 13 minutes, not 15 minutes. Okay, no space, no minutes in it. So I'm going to Whooshing from Peterborough. We're from Peterborough. Huh? So 755 again for Peterborough.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
It says Peterborough problem. Huh? It's only red 387s. 211, 218. We used to be in coach number 2. We used to do that at that house, dude. Somehow, 1, 2, 3 bridges in Bedford.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear.
See? 377s. 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes to get that one, okay? 8 minutes. 701 bridges. LE 93677 to London Victoria. We're a power class 377 Electro Star. So leading, we got 377 to 10. 377 to 10. Pantograph. And the rear is 377 450. And that's the exact service in London Victoria via Reading. It was 377 436 105. And a couple of hook up to the right gate one. There, stand here.
Anmering and Littlehampton. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
No, 337, so it's the Littlehampton. There, 376 again.
And Anmering. 7 coaches. passengers for West Worthing and
That's 4 minutes left, 3 minutes yet, I want to start a bit early.
front 6 coaches. Passengers for
37744.
5 coaches. Please note, some of the living stands A1C are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.
Got rear winch things. Do you see every Victoria going, Stephen? And it's like 93677 is another Victoria, isn't it? You go here, please. You can't see my way. You can go stand there, stand there, stand there. Set.
5:09:32 Southern.
Nice. 277 on the Victoria from. Oh!
East Croydon, Clapham Junction, and London Victoria. This train is
Oh, look, it's present. New train again. Next step, power class 387s. The 9327 to the Hampton was about 5 minutes late. 38711. Oh, 302. C2C again. Looks like XC2C again, the blue doors. And then 377151's on the rear. And a bit is 38707. And the answer is 677. Oh, it's about a minute late. We're class 387s again. Might be white ones. It's got a British Railway sign. Everybody's. There's the white one again. 302 again. Jigsaw. Oh, she's the real again. It's 3173. 173 again. We had a builder yet? Oh, 37123. With you on it? Or once. It's 37173 where? That logo's different. Get over the bus. 9 for 26, 7 or 2 or 387 the GN colours. The X, the DN1 is recent transfer. And then the R2951 some scout office for some to Brighton. There's only red 387s. Oh, looks like it's extra Russell Road 38173. Bedford one. Here's the only red ones, yeah. Wheating code number 2, that will be it for this time. Thank you so much. Best Bedford. Oh no, 52772 Bedford. 70153. Yeah, 70153. Here's 37211. It's 2 next to there. Oh, you go there, I'll go there. Go, George. That's the soft train.
Sorry, please get out of the way. I'm not doing an assistant.
Oi! It's the red light. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sorry.
This is